If your carburetor's leaking out fuel on the ground, or if you're about to do a carburetor rebuild, stay tuned. I'm going to show you something really important to check. So many people don't know this, but in a certain spot on these carburetors, some of them have little tiny holes for the carburetor bowl to vent to the atmosphere. So there's going to be a few different designs depending on manufacturer. These are all Tecumseh carburetors. You can see this one here has something right there. Here on this one, if you look really closely, you can see right there is a tiny hole. That is the atmosphere vent for this carburetor. So if that hole gets plugged up, then your carburetor bowl will not be able to vent, and you can actually have fuel overflowing out of the main jet there and spilling out on the ground. You may even rebuild the carburetor and then have it do the same thing over again. So that's something to check. You can put a wire through it, maybe use some little bit of carb cleaner. Make sure that's all cleaned out. Got a bonus tip for you here. Whenever you replace your primer bulb, you need to use the exact same style that the OEM put on your equipment, because some of these carburetors actually do not have a vent. Their vent is the primer bulb. So some primer bulbs actually have holes in them, and that acts as the vent for the carburetor, the atmospheric vent. So if you install a primer bulb that has no hole, then you've just taken away the vent on your carburetor and it can overflow fuel. Make you think you're having a sticking needle valve or float, and it's actually just an incorrect primer bulb. So keep that in mind as well.